I wanted to share with you how you can make this easy kind of boho inspired bowl. All right, I have these bowls from Target, but you can get them from Walmart, all over the place. They're 50 cents. And then I'm going to use the base as one of the Dollar Tree bowls. They come in a set of two. It's a little clear bowl, but you can use anything really as your base for your. I'm going to glue the two pieces together. And again, this is fun because you can make it in any shape. And then once that like starts to dry, I'm just going to go around with the twine. I glued it down. I'm not going to glue every inch of it, but just in certain sections. I'm just going to go around with the twine and start gluing it on to the bowl. It's just real easy, real simple. You'll just keep going around. I decided I was going to paint the inside of the bowl. You could leave it the color it is because these come in a ton of different colors, but I love a black piece. So I'm just painting the inside of my bowl. You can do this beforehand too. I'm going to go all the way around the whole outside of the bowl. You could paint the base black to go along with it, but I wrapped mine with the twine just to keep the whole thing going. And then I'm just cutting away some of the frays, and then you can burn them too to make sure everything is nice and taken off. And then it adds another little look to it because you'll have like a few little pieces that have like that burnt look. And then this is how it came out. It is so easy, so simple, and one of my favorite little bowls. So make sure you follow for more easy home decor DIYs.